What's up, everybody? Boys here. Welcome back. Today I'm again working on the ceiling panel and try to finish up the walls. See how much we can do. Yesterday we started with the ceiling, and then the rain came twice on us. We had to like put everything back, all the tools and everything back inside, and then bring it out back inside. So this is what happened when you work outside, right? And then yeah. So. Let's see how much we can do today. The weather looks, the rain just came down, poured on us, and it's gone now, but it still looks dark. But according to the forecast, it gets better. So yeah, hopefully the sun comes out and then dries everything up. We can start working again. So that's what we're focusing on, and trying to get all the panels done and then paint it. Man, we were on a roll. We were doing great. It comes out so nice. Finish on this side. Now we came up with three shiplap short. I still have two long ones to go, but I don't want to cut it. It's gonna be on this side, but I'm three short of the 8-footer. So man, Home Depot it is. Let's go. Found them?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna need the trimming for the AC unit. Okay, we got it. 3 more shiplaps, and I forgot we need this. This is a 1x3 pre-painted. This is it's very light. It's for the trimming for the AC unit. So you see what I mean. Let's go. Go. Help. So I was wondering why I am underestimated this one. I forgot this van doesn't have these side windows, so I need more wood to cover that. So yeah, that makes sense. So if you do a 144 wheelbase, just for your info, a 144 wheelbase, this is without window. You need 17 of the 8-footers and then 11 of the 12-footer of the shiplap. So yeah, keep that in mind. Oh, got hungry making my own sandwich today. Look at this turkey sandwich with the spread and avocado inside. Oh yeah. So good, dude. Oh, dripping. This is how you eat salad. I mean sandwich. And chip. If you plan to put your freshwater tank over the wheel well here, there's a way of routing your breathing hose for that tank instead of drilling through the floor. So this 1/2-inch tube can be routed through here, and then right inside the wall, inside this wall, there should be a factory pre-drill hole. It's about the size of a quarter. Or if you don't have that, there should be a gap in between the wall and the wheel well here that you can just route your hose through it, and then it comes out through underneath the car, the van, so you don't have to drill the hole through the floor. So that is a breathing hole. Breathing hose, also it's an overflow hose, so if you ever overfill your water tank, it will flow right outside the van. Okay, yeah, there's somebody asked before about that. I thought I was gonna be done today, but nope, a few more left that need to be cut, but it's dark already. I don't want to make any noise, so my neighbor not gonna yell at me. Okay, next day. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish up and then work on the trimming on the pneumatic AC, and then clean it all up, get ready for painting. So see you tomorrow again. Today I'm going to work on the trimming of the AC unit. Instead of using the factory face plate or garnish, it's so bulky. It's like 4 inches thick and then over 20 inches. It takes up all the space. So instead of using that, I'm creating a trim. I've showed this before on the other vans I did. So it's simple. It's 1.5 inch pre-painted pine wood. It's a 1x3, and then this is a 14 by 14.5. So I measured my corner, shorter corner. I'm going to cut it 45 degrees, 4 pieces, and put them together, make them a square trim. That's gonna make it look really nice, matching with the walls and everything. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I have my 4 pieces cut, all of them at 45 degrees angle. So this is how it's gonna be. Like if you join them together, it's gonna be a perfect 90 degrees angle, right? Just like the picture frame. Okay, and these are, you can see, it's very light white pine. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to glue them together and then staple from the back to join them before I put them up. So this is the back side of the frame. After gluing it, I'm gonna go ahead, couple of staples. After I join them together, before I put it up, I'm gonna go ahead, sand it off, make it look nice and smooth, ready for painting. Ready to go. Now we glue. There you go. And let go. Oop. So if you comparing the factory garnish versus this one, I'm going to show you what are different. So this is the factory, and it goes something like that. You can see it's gonna be in the way of my cabinet, and this is almost 4 inches hanging low, so it's not gonna work in this kind of design. But if you want, your application requires this, then it is good. Right now I'm just finishing up. I'm doing just touch up, just looking for any paint, any dirtiness, any rough area. I already when I cut these woods, I already checked them and sand them once, but just to double check anyway. So sometimes, you know, your hands dirty or it's got dirty somehow, just kind of sand it off, and then after that wipe it with wet or damp cloth, and just make sure it is ready for painting, and then mask everything off. Tomorrow it's gonna be a hot day. I'm going to be up early and paint tomorrow. I got a day off from work, so I'm gonna start painting early in the morning before it's too hot, and after that the floor is next. Welcome to the next day. I haven't started painting yet. This morning had to run to Home Depot and get some of these trims so I can go ahead and finish all the trimmings on the back edge and also on the front side of the ceiling. And also last night I worked on this edge right here on this side, but I feel like if I put one of these on this side, you can see it brings up another look. Now I'm ready for painting, and the paint this time we are going to use is the all-in-one. This is prime and paint together. It's just a higher grade ultra pure white color bears from Home Depot. Okay, and we're also going to use a 1/2-inch roller brush like this. So okay everybody, after the paint I'm going to install these lights and then test all the wires to make sure all the connections are good, and then after that we're going to do the floor before we start putting the batteries and do all the connections, the rest of the light. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this all the way to the end of this episode everybody. Don't forget, please subscribe and follow me all along the way this build. As you can see, it's looking so good right now that you're gonna see it after the paint is gonna be different. You won't see these screw heads anymore, and yep, I'm excited. All right, see you next time. What do you want, Ace? You want something? Hey, speak. What do you want? What do you want? Look at your eyes.
Love you.
You look so white.
I love you.
Ha, husky.
Want that? I love you. I speak. I say thank you.
Say thank you. Then we go get cookies.
Say
Go
thank
thank
you.
you. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. I know you want to. Say it. Okay.